Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it is the 6th day of November. It is Election Day, and it's much earlier than usual that I'm making your video. It's about 2:20 in the morning. That's so I can get ready to switch locations to the Blue Water Weather Center to track that line of storms currently barreling through Mississippi, North Alabama, and North Mississippi, and heading on southeastward. This line will be a weakening line by the time it gets to us, but still, the Storm Prediction Center has us in a marginal risk. All of us here in central and southeast Alabama will track the storms. It's been a busy night for tornadoes across a multi-state area, and because it's night, we don't know which towns could have got hit the hardest, but there have been tornado touchdowns. Two of the hardest hit states, Mississippi and Tennessee. So let's track the storms for you as we go through the rest of the day today, and a very active next few days. There's going to be more showers and storms in our forecast. A cooler weekend, but a lot of you are going to be interested in seeing what's on the weather menu for next week too. I wanted to show you just a little sample of what it looked like in the wee hours of the morning before I started making your video here of the tornado watches, tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings across several states, Mississippi, North Alabama, and Tennessee, I believe, has been particularly hard hit this morning. But again, it's the middle of the night. We won't know which towns got the most damage yet. This is the line of storms as it moves southward through the rest of the morning, and then into the early afternoon, and then into the late afternoon, and finally just about, let's say, 4 or 5 p.m. At 8 o'clock this morning, the line of storms, the squall line, what's left of it, will be moving from about Lafayette to Montgomery to around Camden. The cold front is lagging back behind it, so still some stronger storms, but a weakening line. By noon, the front has made it south of Troy, and the line of storms is strongest in southeast Alabama. See a couple of stronger storms along that line into the Wiregrass at 11:45 a.m. So we're going to have to watch the next few hours, even as we go towards lunchtime. Today, the marginal risk of severe weather covers all of east central and south Alabama, including places like Montgomery, Auburn, Troy, Greenville, all the way down to just north of the Dothan area. Morning showers and storms for the most part, and then improvement in the afternoon with a high temperature today up to about 77, and tonight's low 60. Southwest winds will become northerly behind the front. Then tomorrow, a wave of low pressure forms along the front and moves eastward. So more showers and storms on the weather menu tomorrow across the area. And again, a pretty wet scenario really for the next 3 days, because even Thursday, showers and thunderstorms will be around from time to time as waves of low pressure move along that frontal system. Then a significant frontal system comes into the area Friday. It's the first of two. You see that second one way up there in the Midwest that'll be coming our way? So showers and thunderstorms along the front Friday. A couple of those storms I think could be on the strong side as the front moves through. Then, I think by Friday night, the front has made it into southeastern Alabama, and much cooler air flows in for the upcoming weekend. So it's going to be a storm-free weekend. It's going to be a breezy, much cooler day Saturday after a chilly start, with temperatures only in the low 60s for the most part, and then low 60s on Sunday after a morning start, perhaps in the low to mid-40s, and then more cooler air after that. Stand by. So our rain chances are as high as 50% again by Wednesday evening, and a good chance of showers and thunderstorms on Thursday, and more showers and thunderstorms Friday as the fronts continue moving through. Then drier air over the weekend as we cool down. Only low 60s on Saturday and Sunday, with morning lows around 40 by Sunday morning. Another cold front arrives on Monday with cooler air. And hold the phone. Wait till you see this. The Arctic air draining down from Hudson Bay all the way down into the Gulf states. That could be the coldest air of the season so far. In fact, some interesting numbers being printed out by the models. This is one model, the GFS, printing a high of, only 48 on Wednesday. Don't take that literally. It has us 29 on Wednesday morning, 31 on Thursday morning. You get the idea that some really cold air, the real deal kind of cold air, is coming in later on next week. Get ready. And I just wanted to show you this just pre-dawn. The tornado watch still in effect as far south as Birmingham and just east of the Meridian area till 6 o'clock in the morning. So that is the watch as I make this here in the middle of the night. Just to recap, I'm getting this weather video out to you much earlier than usual today so that I can go to the Blue Water Weather Center to be ready for that line of storms as it moves into central and southeastern Alabama. Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking severe weather this morning on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at least one time at 5:50 a.m. If not other times, we'll see live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. And your video tomorrow morning will be at the regular time at 4:45 a.m. I hope you have a chance to get out and vote today. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Stay weather aware.